Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Helen Coy-Gresavage and I hail from Nanjemoy, Maryland, and you are watching my entry for the Avant Garde category of the 2019 Skin Games. This is my model Taryn, and today we're going to be doing a fantastic, whimsical, blended look with lots and lots of monochromatic peach with a little bit of a metallic twist. You ready?
I am.
Let's do this. And here we go! With that, we are all done. I'm very, very happy with the way this came out. I feel like it's exactly what I envisioned in my mind, maybe even a little bit better. I'm very, very happy with everything. What do you think?
I love it.
So, once again, thank you guys so much for your time, effort, and energy. And with that, maybe I'll see you in Vegas.